Test retest sort of error variant time sampling. Test interval depend on purpose of nature of test. Usually 2 weeks. If usually 2 weeks, not exceed 6 months in terms of clinic as well. It might be what we call time interval change a lot. When you test already, okay, usually 2 weeks you need to test. Usually บ่อยครั้ง test 2 week. Some week is okay except for week, but 6 months is mean half year. It might affect from another thing, right? PCL Sumali, I measure you about the performance of your stamina trekking to the hill, Doi Suthe mountain, because you got a join marathon runner next year. After that, I don't know, you practice, not practice, I don't know. I measure you again 6 months from January, measure again in June, but X 6 months, test retest is not stable. We don't know because Angsumai 6 months is very long period, right? Caution, be careful, caution, carry over effects. When we carry out over effects, test effect ในช่วงที่เราให้ intervention, give intervention, carry over, okay? Sometimes we don't know inside because it's happened. Test effect. Time interval คือช่วงเวลา is increase and correlation decrease. Time interval might be decrease, is decrease. Correlation ความสัมพันธ์จะ decrease. Okay, time interval ช่วงเวลา. Statistic for test retest, we can use nominal scale, we can use percentage. Percent agreement, we use kappa statistic. If ordinal scale, OT use ordinal scale a lot. We use Spearman coefficient, and in interval and ratio scale, we use Pearson products moment correlation coefficient or inter-class correlation coefficient, or we use the brief name ICC. Intra-class correlation coefficient ICC. The next is split half method. Split half method is appropriate for questionnaire. Sometimes we can split the dichotomy to be 2 data. Divide test into equivalent half both. Okay. Disadvantage method is divide to equivalent half. We can use statistic Spearman-Brown formula. Reliability or R symbol should exist more than 0.8 if you use split half method. Okay, split half method is excellent. Split half method is like this. Okay, makes this split half method. Item 1, item 2 might here, item 3. If you measure already, use statistics. Go to the SPSS is 0.837. It's okay, except split half reliability. Okay, split half correlation. Not used a lot. It depends on. Okay, you decide. Alternative or parallel form method. You can use many words. Parallel form method, equivalent form method. It's appropriate for pencil paper test or alternate test equivalent with term of content response process and statistical characteristic. Two truly parallel tests contain same number of item. Content is the same form of item. Cover same type of content. Inside is mean the method use subject. Evaluate use 2 parallel test same time. Sometimes you use spend time for test 2 times. Okay, 2 parallel tests at the same time. Content sampling and time sampling. Okay, the statistics we're gonna use Pearson or Spearman, and the symbol of R should exist more than 0.8. 0.8. Presumably like this, form A and form B. Okay, is equivalent or parallel form and test. Advanced and disadvanced is control real change over time and eliminate คือกำจัด carry over or reactivity effects, but sometimes take time. Disadvantage is expensive. This is why expensive, take time. impractical มันไม่ practical มัน impractical in the same in research you need to design a lot difficult to develop exactly parallel คู่ขนาน not non-common use but some people use okay this is common use like rater right test and retest reliability we use number 1 and number 4 a lot internal consistency ค่าความสอดคล้องภายในค่าความเชื่อมั่นสอดคล้องภายในinter item every item when we generate look like item in Lotka or even though in Thai CPT or the tool okay we need when we measure the client many subject right we need internal consistency inter item consistency degree correlation among all items on scale. The computer can calculate from single administration of single form of test. It's useful to assess homogeneous. Make that is homogeneous or not. Homogeneity is mean it look like the same. คุณลักษณะเหมือนกัน If it's not the same, it mean heterogeneity. When we test homogeneity degree to which test measure a single factor item of scale is unifactorial. Heterogeneity degree to which test measure is different factor, not single factor. มันไม่ไปด้วยกัน Internal consistency. When we use internal consistency, it means if you this group of the client is elderly people. What about internal consistency? It means if it's homogeneous, it's go to correct way of internal consistency. It means near 0.775. It means very excellent. Like if it's going down until to 0.40 or 50, it means it's got heterogeneity have a lot in this group of the client, elderly people. It means show ความสอดคล้องภายในAfter we assessment, presumably Ansumari go to Doi Law District. Use assessments .ga, G Lotka. G is theoretic, right? You know G Lotka. Measurements outcome about the cognition. Some point item of the cognition is mean attention, memory, blah blah blah. Language communication. It show about internal consistency is near 0.8. It means that most of this group that we take it mean internal consistency is very strong, excellent, right? But presumably at Doi Law, they come from another area. It's a new land. Presumably มันเป็นที่ใหม่ Group of people from Hmong, from Pagakayor, from Hill Tribe mixed with the people, but they are elderly people. The internal consistency around maybe 0.4. It means homogeneity is very low, but heterogeneity is very high, right? แสดงว่าความสอดคล้องภายในมันต่างกันมาก มันไม่ไปด้วยกัน เพราะว่ามันเป็นสถานที่อำเภอใหม่ เขาเอาพวกชาวเขาแต่ละเผ่ามาอยู่ด้วยกันปะปนกับชาวเมืองพื้นเมืองใช่ไหมมันเกิดให้กลุ่มเกิดชาติพันธุ์เยอะแยะในพื้นที่นี้แล้วเราก็ไปวัดอะไรครับ cognitive function เขามันจะเกิดความสอดคล้องภายในที่ไม่เป็น homogeneity ก็ได้ we don't know หรือมันจะสอดคล้องก็ได้แต่น่าจะไม่สอดคล้องกันเพราะว่ามันมีความหลากหลายทาง factor นี่พยากรณ์เอานะ predictor but in the real it might be we believe that because they cannot come from the same แต่ละชนเผ่าชาติพันธุ์มีความหลากหลายไม่ได้จบไม่ได้เรียนหนังสือกลุ่มหนึ่งเรียนหนังสือปะปนกันหมดเลย Okay this is internal consistency have a look here you can see this is the flow chart and see contact 1 contact 2 maybe contact 5 contact 4 3 4 5 show about business attribute คุณลักษณะของคนนี้นะครับattribute business attribute to until to attribute M we survey we need about this attribute is the what we call heterogeneous or not or homogeneous or not it's gonna show in terms of the internal consistency with related with the item that we designate maybe the item from G Lotka okay this is the number show item 1 item 2 item until to item 6 measure already but all of this group of these presumably calculated already 0.85. This means internal consistency is very good. Not very good, excellent. It's very high, more than good. If it's around maybe 74, 0.70 or 74, it means good, but this is mean excellent. Okay, why is effect? Because reliability very high. It means good มีความน่าเชื่อถือโอเคมีความเชื่อมั่นค่าความเชื่อมั่นสูง Source of error variant about internal consistencies come from item or content sampling, content of heterogeneity. This is why when we go to the research site, I recommend that if you go to the research site, think about if we collect the data with different, if you make different generation, you accept or not about internal consistency is not the same. It's very low. It might be if the group you can collect from teenage and you collect with you are compared together or what, but you overall about this group in dialogue mix together with about teenage. Internal consistency is might change. It might be we don't know, we cannot predict, but it's heterogeneity, not homogeneity, right? Some area people is homogeneity. Some village pattern of life is the same. They educated the same. จบป .4 or จบม .3 but sometimes it's very high, very heterogeneity. Okay, this is make some error. Statistic we gonna use internal consistency is Kruder-Richardson formula 220 or KR20 dichotome and coefficiency alpha or Convac alpha. Coefficiency alpha I use a lot. I use every time when I use for internal consistency. Okay, coefficiency alpha, because sometimes it's not just only dichotome, but it's polytomous data. It depends on your data. If your data you got a lot of items, you need to use poly, not just only dichotomous. Okay, statistics from item to total point by sectorial correlations. Coefficient we call dichotomous data, just only bisectorial. If you use polytomous data, a lot of items, you use a lot of data inside here. You use Pearson product moment correlation coefficient, or you can use about what we call coefficient alpha. Okay, you can talk again with your supervisor. It depends on your research design, depends on your participant, depends on your protocol. Okay, it soon be like this. This average item of internal consistency, this means 0.85. Excellent.